guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some clips of me dyeing a pair of jeans. I have always kind of wanted to split dye jeans, but I never really had an idea of how to do it or the best way to do it. And then I saw a couple TikToks of people doing bleaching half of their jeans, and they were kind of just doing it in a tub. So that's what I tried to do at first. As you'll see, it didn't really work out. So then I ended up dip dyeing them kind of in a pot in the kitchen. Made my mom mad, but hey, they turned out kind of. Yeah, so for these jeans, I was very inspired by the half and half Hot Topic skinny jeans. I really wanted to do these on a pair of skinny jeans, but it just so happened that I got a light colored pair of boyfriend cut jeans for free, as a hand-me-down. I was like, this is perfect. If they don't work, I'm not wasting any money here. So I used those. As you'll see later, I don't really know how to wear these because I normally only wear skinny jeans. So it was really hard to put an outfit together for the final result. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please let me know by leaving a comment or a like on this video and subscribe to the next one. So the first thing I did with these pants is I bleached them again. It looked like they were already bleach washed. Just put them in the washing machine with some bleach just to get them as bleached as possible. Make sure I could get all the color that was still on them out. One thing that I did notice is, I don't know how well you can tell in these clips, but there are stripes on them. They are a creamy color stripe, and I thought that might bleach out, but they didn't. So on one side you can kind of see the stripes on the light side. After that, they didn't look much different. I think that they had already been bleached as far as they could. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cover up half of the pants with a garbage bag. I'll tape it off to seal it. I don't know where my tape is right now. And then I'm gonna mix the dye in this bucket and kind of just pour it over. And then this has kind of a lip to it, so the dye will sit in there, and hopefully the pants will be able to sit in the dye without getting the other half covered in dye. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but here's to hoping. So I took them and I put the light side in a garbage bag, and I tried to tape it down with some masking tape, but as you'll see, it didn't really work. The masking tape lifted up and the dye got onto the top of the light side, and I got some spots on the other side. washed these after dyeing them, they were a weird sort of purpley gray color, not as dark as I wanted them, so I figured I'd go ahead and try again. So I just put them in a pot. I heated up the water. I figured that the problem was that the water was too cold when I dyed them. So I heated up the water to almost boiling, added the dye, turned off the heat, put the pants in, and let them sit for about a half an hour. Rinsed them out and threw them in the wash. This time they did turn out a lot darker, and this is kind of what I ended up with. I don't really know how to wear boyfriend cut jeans. I styled them the best I could. I'm a very short person, so they look kind of awkward on me, but I did the best I could with this outfit to give you the idea I was going for, the look I was going for. Overall, I'm really happy with how these turned out. This was really just a project I did on a whim, so for them to turn out even slightly good is really awesome. And that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!